back at the Jacob Troutman cabin. Progress has been made. Rafters are up. So today we're going to try to get this blocking in. Maybe start on the sheeting of the roof. We're going to sheet the roof in 1-bys. And then put stripping and then put a metal roof on top of that.
Two-inch board. Slide it up there on mark it and you can cut it.
So we got
The long 2-inch board laying down.
it's not exactly square, so we're trying to correct it here under the eave
Mark it square up there and cut back in.
before it gets into where you're gonna see it. In here the ceiling is gonna be exposed, you're gonna see it. So
That big long one right there.
trying to do a little correction before that. This one? That one's 3 3/4.
What's the other one beside it?
3 3/4.
That'll work.
So because this is a custom woodworking job, like we did on the side behind me, we're gonna cut every one of them. We're gonna have to mark them because everything's rough sawn. You know, nothing's run through a planer, run through a table saw, or nothing. So to get everything nice and tight like we did over here, we're gonna have to cut every one of these and mark them. So that's what we're doing. Yeah. So now we're gonna go to the other side. We're gonna put the bird blocking in right there on that side. Get these eaves done. I think said Sam's got different wood he wants to use for the rest of the stripping.
Yeah.
All right. My cousin Johnny had to run back to his house, so we're gonna go down this trail to the spring. And this is basically why this cabin was built on the location it's built on. There's a couple ankle breaking holes down here, but we'll go down here and get us a drink of water from the spring. Old possum or skunk's been down here digging for grubs. There's the cabin. We're going down there where that ladle is to get us a drink. Here's the spring. We got our dipper. It's good. It's good stuff. It's nice down here. Spring runs down. There's a creek. You can see the creek bed there. It runs into the creek and it runs down. Across it when we come in here, there's a culvert. So The old spring. All right, we got one piece of blocking in. Now it's just measure, rinse, and repeat. All right, got all those cut and measured. Now we have to square them up, flush them up to the outside beam, mark them, and we're gonna have to come set the angle on the skill saw. We're gonna rip the top of them at the angle to match the slope of the roof joist, and that way they'll sit tight. Everything will sit tight and flush. I know it's like everything's custom, so now we got them all cut. I'm gonna go back and mark them, take them out. The angle should be the same. Once we get the angle set on the saw, all that should be the same, but we only got one saw. I don't want to have to go mark it, set the angle, trim it, flatten it out, set the angle again, over and over again. So that's the way we did these, that's the way we're gonna do these. The way we did the ones behind us, first side, that's the way we're gonna do these. Add it up pretty tight. I gotta do it like 9 more times. We'll be done.
Big Dave putting in the wood. Custom fit carpentry by David Abernathy. Been working his ass off. Look at him.
Well, that's the last one of those. Got them all trimmed. Now we're going to try to sheath it from there out to the end of the eave. Easy. All right. It's the last board. We got one more to put on that end. I'm filming. Don't say something you don't want saved for posterity forever. That's the last board of the eave.
Down here on the Jacob cabin.
Down here on the Jacob cabin. All right, that's it. That's all I'm gonna be filming today. That's enough. We got the metal. We got the roofing metal ordered. We still got to sheath the whole thing in one by though. That'll be on another video. Appreciate y'all watching. See you later.